this jaw-dropping experiment, we transform a KTM 1290 Super Duke, one of the most powerful naked bikes on the market, into a terrifying 180 HP saw blade machine by removing its front wheel and attaching a massive, high-speed circular saw blade. This insane modification isn't just for show. It's a test of raw mechanical power, engineering creativity, and viral-worthy content that dominates search engine rankings for high-performance bike experiments. By leveraging SEO optimization strategies, we ensure this project reaches enthusiasts searching for KTM 1290 modifications, most powerful bike experiments, or extreme motorcycle engineering. Using long-tail keywords like how to modify a KTM 1290 into a saw blade bike and high HP motorcycle experiments, we maximize organic traffic from gearheads and adrenaline junkies. The meta description highlights the sheer insanity of a 180 HP saw blade bike, while image alt tags like KTM 1290 saw blade conversion boost visibility in Google Images. Internal links to related bike mods and external backlinks from automotive forums further strengthen domain authority, making this experiment a top-ranking piece of content. Whether you're into motorcycle customization, extreme engineering, or viral mechanics, this KTM 1290 saw blade build is engineered to cut through the competition, both on the road and in search results.